What's up, y'all? It's your girl Aviana Zurin, and I'm here to give you another quick little tour around the new 2022 SeaDoo RXT 300. But first, I want to give a special thanks to Team Mancuso North for inviting me out to come check out the 2022 models and to be able to show you guys a sneak peek. Now, with the RXT-X model, it comes in two different colors, the Millennium Yellow and the talked about, very popular triple black. What I have here is the new premium triple black, because I know that's what y'all guys want to see, because I wanted to see it. Now, I'm kind of jealous about this color because y'all know me and my skis. Like, eventually, after a year and a half, I wrap the ski. And when I look at this, I see a blank canvas. I see a lot of things that can be done with wrapping the ski and what would look good. And I may be changing in the purple RXP for a triple black. What do y'all think? Comment down below if y'all think I should trade it in. So let's talk about the front right now. So you have it, it's a clean look, it's all black. And it's kind of like not complete black like this type of black, but it's like a dark charcoal with some shimmer in some of the trim. It's not as black as this, but I still like it. And you see the signature logo of the X. That identifies already as knowing that this is a performance ski. And when I say performance, I mean you've got the Footwell mats that lock in your feet when you're taking those turns. You have the launch. You have launch control there and different modes that help with the performance of the ski. You have your ergo lock. Now, just in case you've not seen this before, these back seats come off. Now, all you have to do is just push in these both, pull it out, and as you see in some of the SeaDoo commercials or the pictures, you see people laying out, or even your friends, you've seen them laying out. This adds more space to the back deck and more room to walk around, or more things to even store with the link system. So this is a great option, especially if you don't have a passenger, just to take it off and not even ride around with it. You got SeaDoo's signature link mounts right here that easily attaches and mounts any of the SeaDoo accessories, going from fuel caddies to storage mounts to coolers to bags, and also where you would want to be able to, if you want to hook a pylon in, you can attach your ski pylon. You have the sleek back deck traction mat, your toe mount, the IBR. Again, that is on the left side of the steering column, where it will, right up there, you see it right up there, where it'll control the braking system and the reverse bucket to drop down. These mounts here are there for if you want to add a boarding ladder. You can get that at any of your local dealers or on the SeaDoo website. And you have, these are your drain plugs. You want to check before every ride that these are plugged in. Here's the flush port, and it comes with instructions right here in case you forget and you don't want to look at your manual. Here's some lovely instructions over here, especially if you're upside down in the water and you forget. And try not to flip it over. I always tell people, if you feel like it's gonna go over, don't take the ski with you. Just jump off, let go of the ski and let it turn over on itself. And in the X series, of course, you have to have some X sponsons. These will help with performance on turning and the handling of the ski. And we have the BRP speakers. Now, depending on how windy it is, you can hear the music about 50 to 55. But if it's pretty windy, you're going to hear it like going at 40s. But that's cruising speeds anyways. Now what I love about the ST3 platform is the storage. I always say it in all my videos, but you have this lovely storage box, glove box. Small glove box right here. You can fit a couple phones and some sunglasses. It has a foam here to prevent your phone from clanking around in there, because I've damaged quite a bit of phones from just shaking and banging around in there. And you have the USB charger. You always got to stay charged so you can capture some awesome videos and some pictures. And this is completely waterproof. Then you have the easy access storage compartment. You just lift up right here and look how much space is in there. I don't know what you would put in here, but I put a lot of stuff in my ski. Especially when I went over to Bimini, I was able to carry my clothes and everything in there, and my lock for my skis, my dock lines, everything in there. And you would have, and if you look up here, you have the safety kit. There's a kit that SeaDoo offers that fits perfectly right here, and your fire extinguisher. Now, it looks like a big compartment and a bunch of stuff can get all messy in there, but guess what? SeaDoo has a accessory bag, a net bag that fits in here. You screw it all in, or you can just drop it in. It has a little notches there for you to drop in and keep your stuff all organized. Come back here, and here is your fuel cap. This is where you would put all your fuel. Now these models come with an 18.5 gallon tank, and let me tell you, 2 to 3 gallons more compared to the 2019 model makes a big difference. And did I tell you how easy it is to fuel your ski? Most people have to lean forward or go all the way over here or do something and go over their handlebars just to even get into their storage, but not with the ST3 model. Okay, and then you have the adjustable steering column. This goes up and down for different riding positions. If you're standing up, or if you're just a bigger guy or female, longer arms, whichever one, you can adjust it to your comfort level. Here is the post where you plug in your key. And we have the dual screen. Now I'm pretty jealous about this dual screen. You can actually have like navigation on one side and the display on the other, or music playlist on the other side. But right now the battery's not hooked up, so I can't show you guys. All right, so that concludes our quick little tour on the 2022 SeaDoo RXT-300. If you want some technical questions answered, or just more information, you can go to the SeaDoo website, and the link will be down below. If you have any questions I could possibly help you with, just comment down below. And if you like this video, make sure you hit a thumbs up on the bottom right there. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm doing several videos on the 2022 models. You can see above right here. Click on any video to check out the SeaDoo Wake Pro 230, or to check out the SeaDoo Fish Pro Scout. But until next time, see y'all on the water.